Hello everyone, my name is David and this is my BMW E90, also known as my biggest financial mistake till now. But I'm trying to fix it all by myself, so stay along and we'll see how it goes.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one.
So diving right forward, here is me getting the wheels out of the car, trying to get to the brakes because I wanted to start with the brake, doing a quick service on the car. I use hydraulic jack to lift up the car and get the wheels out. I don't have all the fancy tools or the fancy lifts, so I'll be using this small hydraulic jack that I found pretty much enough for what I have to do. And like on all the BMWs, to get the wheels off, it's those 5 bolts and then you just put it out. Sometimes you have to knock it off with your foot, but that time it came straight off.
Can I take? Can I be yours?
Going under the car, we are going to remove the oil so that we can flush the oil and replace it with the new one. While the oil is dripping, I wanted to get the oil filter out, and here you can see me using those pliers, the universal pliers for the oil filter. And really guys, if you are going to use those, don't do like me, use a piece of cloth, a piece of towel to hold the plastic covers in between the pliers, and then you can unscrew it without damaging the actual housing of the oil filter. And here's the oil filter. Now the oil filter was very clean besides the dark oil.
Be your superhero. 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 Superhero.
But yeah, we can see the oil. I would say it can be a nicer color, definitely.
Fly away. It's the first time of today.
Now that all the oil is out, I'm going to screw back the oil pan nut, making sure to have the crush washer behind the nut. This car, I was pretty stunned that this car has all the plastic trims, all the plastic pieces, the undertray, and in the engine bay also.
Give it a shot, only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
Now getting the oil filter housing a quick wipe off, a quick clean, I'm going to install everything back. Also, I wanted to clean the oil filter housing. It's better when everything's clean. Now, letting those O-rings sit in the oil so that it is easier to put on, and also you always want to put O-rings with some lubricants. You don't want to put it dry because it can get damaged.
Hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength.
Now I have here 3 O-rings that have to be replaced, and as you can see I have them sitting in oil for like 15 minutes, but you can just drip it and put it straight on the oil filter.
Boy, until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will.
Having the 3 O-rings installed, now I'm going to put the actual oil filter inside the housing. You want it to push either way, it doesn't matter, and as soon as it gets in, it will And now getting it back inside the car is just a question of screwing it back in the housing. Here again I am not using the cloves, but I highly recommend them because it left some really bad scratches on this mount. And you don't want to over tighten it, it's only tightened to 25 Newton meters. Here we will be putting the new oil inside the engine. This I wanted to try 5W30. Everybody recommended me to use 10W40 because the engine has a pretty high mileage. I just wanted to see the difference.
Oh, hey, it's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from.
Now getting to the air filter right now, I also wanted to clean it off so that the engine, you know, it breathes clean air, and having this air filter, the original one, is pretty shocking considering this car has 300,000 kilometers.
Can I be your superhero?
Now giving it a quick air spray so that all the dust get out, and installing the air filter back in. I'm going to screw back everything back together to its original form.
I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life is
Putting back the air filter housing in place is just a question of screwing those clamps so that the actual air doesn't mix up with the atmospheric air, and then these two screws that will hold the housing together. Now I just wanted to put the trim back on.
Can I take my mind will it break?
Going to the brakes, these are always under pressure, they're always pressing towards the disc. We just want to get the relief of it. There is this anti-rattle pin that you have to get out, and then the actual piston, the actual caliper can go out. Unfortunately for me, my brake disc have pretty big grooves on the end, so they are not going very smoothly. Before installing the brake pads, I wanted to get the brake pad wear sensor connected so that I don't have to do it later. And unfortunately for me, the plugs inside the car was broken, so I have to guess which one goes where. But they are not polarized, so it's either way you're fine as it's well connected.
Je vais vouloir venir serrer. Bien sûr, on ne rien cassant. On ne cassant rien. Hey.
Now definitely you won't want to break anything, so I suggest you hang this caliper with the spring from the suspension so that it doesn't go everywhere. I'm just going to give it a quick clean, and here guys is a side-to-side comparison of the old one and the new one, and like Chris Fix like to say it, out with the old and in with the new. Installing back together, the piston had to get compressed a little bit more because of the grooves like I was saying earlier, and after that you just want to clean it all out. Then the brake pad wear sensor can go in right here in this place. After fitting the brake pad rear sensor, we want to put the anti-rattle clip so that it doesn't make any sound, it doesn't rattle a lot when you are driving on the road. And with that, it's just a question of doing the other side as well. Once the brake caliper were done, I just wanted to check on the brake oil fluid here in the engine compartment to see if there is any debris or particles inside it. Looking pretty good down here. I'm going to put its cover right back where it belongs. With the brand new brake pads, the oil flushed in the engine and replaced, and other important stuff in the car checked out, I wanted to get a sneak peek at what the engine would sound like, and unfortunately, what an awful sound! This right here, guys, is the sound of a rattling chain. So it's either the timing chain or the oil pump chain that is rattling around, definitely worn out.